birthday today. I thank the Almighty God for keeping me alive, for making all the impossibilities to be possible, for His protection, for His mercy, for His favor, for His grace. Where am I going to start? Then to keep thanking God, to keep thanking Him. He has been so much marvelous to my life, sufficient to my family. Oh God, I give you all the thanks. I give you all the praise. Today is 37 years of my birthday. God, I don't know what to say than to give you glory, to thank you. And today I am going to declare that Biafra must have their freedom. Biafra must have their freedom. Biafra must go. United States of Biafra must gain their freedom. United States of Biafra must go. People are asking me, why am I so like, why do I love the Biafrans? Why am I talking about the Biafrans? Nothing more. Obi-Wanne. It's all about Obi-Wanne. If you know what it means, it is Obi-Wanne. Even if you're not Igbo, you don't understand Igbo, you don't seem to hear Igbo, you need to go and ask people, what is it called by Obi-Wanne? It's all about Obi-Wanne, nothing more. So today, I am declaring that Biafra will get their freedom. Biafra will come. United States of Biafra will come. After United States of America is United States of Biafra. After A is B. That is United States of Biafra. They will get their freedom. They will go. I am praying, I am calling the ancestors of Biafra. They will be with them. Anybody who is going to stop Biafra land shall not see good. Anybody who is going to stop Enugu State from coming will not see good. He said, anybody who is going to stop Anambra State from coming will not see good. He said, anybody that will stop Imo State from going to Biafra will not see good. Anybody that will stop the Enugu State from going to Biafra will not see good. I am calling the ancestors of Biafra land. I am calling the ancestors of the Igbo land to come and fight for them, to guide them, to lead them. Let them come and fight for the Biafrans. Biafrans needs to go because they are being humiliated in this nation. What is going on with them in this nation? Sometimes when I sit down, I say, God, why is it? Why is it happening this way? Biafra must get their freedom. He said, may the gods of Biafra land, their ancestors, make it possible for them. He said, Biafra land must come. I thank God today for making it all possible. It's my 37 years birthday today. I was thinking I'm even 40 years. Never knew that I'm 37. But I give God the glory for being alive to witness the Biafra land. God has done it for us, and He will keep doing it for us, and He will do it again. It's all about Obi-Wanne. Obi-Wanne is all about Obi-Wanne. Thank God for Biafra land. Thank God for the United States of Biafra land. USB, United States of Biafra land. Thank God it has come. It's my birthday today. God, I thank you for all that You've done in my life. Thank you for all the marvelous things. Thank you for all the wonderful things. I give You all the glory. I give You this cake. You provided it for me.